Do you have great balls of fire to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom and our expression for today, to coincide with this year's annual challenge, is balls of fire or great balls of fire. This idiom, this expression has been around since about the 1850s. It was used in the South. It comes from the southern United States, where they use the expression pretty regularly, as well as in songs and conversation. It derives from the many biblical references that apply to the presence of fire whenever they were talking about God in the Bible. And then what it means is a person with unusual energy, vitality, or drive and motivation. Well, that describes just about every business owner that I know. They're driven, they have lots of energy, they have lots of vitality, they set the example for other people. So today, as you're going about your business, notice how much energy and excitement you have for the different projects and different things that need to be done in the business. It's really hard to expect other people or to be surprised if other people don't have much energy for the things that you're creating and doing with the business if you yourself don't. We have to lead with passion, lead by example, and get other people excited about the things that excite us, usually serving other people, helping them, solving problems for them, the group of people that we decide to serve. And then we are on fire for serving people, showing up in the world, making the world a better place. And that's our idiom and our expression for today. Love to know if you've heard this expression, if you've used this expression. I don't know that I've ever used it. Maybe I've said somebody was a ball of energy or something, but probably not very often do I use great balls of fire, although sometimes I feel like that inside. That's it. Have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom to coincide with this year's BU 365-day challenge. To do one thing every day that motivates us. This is as close as I could get to being on fire today. Have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.